Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve trading psychology with Mastercard detailed guide step by step clearly. Mastercard offers various tools that can help improve trading psychology. Begin by understanding the importance of a solid trading mindset. Recognize that emotions often drive trading decisions. Identify the common psychological hurdles traders face, such as fear, greed, and anxiety. Utilize Mastercard's budgeting tools to set limits on your trading capital. Establish a budget that reflects your risk tolerance. Create a dedicated trading account using your Mastercard. Ensure that this account is separate from your daily expenses. Maintain discipline by sticking to your budget, regardless of market conditions. Set clear trading goals that are realistic and achievable. Use Mastercard's transaction alerts to monitor your spending. Stay accountable by reviewing your trades regularly. Document your feelings and decisions in a trading journal. Acknowledge both your successful trades and your mistakes. Develop a routine that helps you detach emotionally from each trade. Practice mindfulness techniques to center your focus. Take breaks when needed to refocus your thoughts. Engage in continuous education to build confidence in your trading decisions. Join trading communities to share experiences and insights. Seek mentorship from seasoned traders who can guide your mindset. Visualize successful trades to reinforce a positive mental attitude. Know that setbacks are part of the learning process. Stay focused on long-term goals rather than short-term wins. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly enhance your trading psychology. Incorporate Mastercard's tools along the way to support your journey. Striving for a balanced mindset will ultimately lead to better trading outcomes. Consistency and self-awareness are key to mastering trading psychology. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.